My friend Clara Nino is about to turn 16. Recently, she gave up pork, which was a real bummer to her because she loved pulled pork sandwiches. So I wrote this pulled chicken, barbecue chicken, for Claire, but I think you guys, if you're down with chicken, are gonna dig it too. So for this recipe, if you wanna make a quick version, you can bring home a rotisserie chicken, remove the skin and the bones, of course, and pull the chicken. So for our barbecue sauce that we're going to put our pulled chicken into, we've got a little bit of finely chopped onion and some garlic cooking up in a little bit of olive oil. When that starts to sweat out and get nice and tender, I seasoned it up with a little bit of salt. I'm gonna add pepper. And then we're gonna put in our spice base. We're gonna use about 1 palmful, or about 1 tablespoon each, of smoked sweet paprika and equal amounts of cumin and coriander. So about a tablespoon or a scant palmful of each. Then we're going to add about the same amount of a mild dry mustard. And a little cayenne pepper. I'd say about a 1/2 to 3/4 of a teaspoon. Depends on how spicy you like your sauce. I would go full on at least 1 teaspoon. We like things extra spicy. Oh, that smells so great already. So we've got our nice spice mixture together. Now we're going to add our liquids. You want about 3 tablespoons of good cider vinegar. 1, 2, 3, about 3 tablespoons. This is pourable light brown sugar. Goes in with our vinegar to balance the sweet and the tangy. And then we're gonna put in about 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce. And my secret ingredient, 1 tablespoon of smoked soy sauce. So we put all that in there, and then we're going to add 1 can of tomato sauce, 8 ounces of tomato sauce, and some of our poaching liquid that's been reducing over here, a couple of ladles of that. Then we're gonna let this cook down, and we put all of our pulled chicken down in there, and it's some saucy goodness. Now we're going to make the slaw salad to go up on top. We're going to make a homemade buttermilk poppy seed ranch slaw. We're going to use about a 1/2 cup each of buttermilk and nice tangy sour cream. In the bowl already, I have about 3 tablespoons or so of grated onion. This is red onion, it doesn't matter. You can use any color onion you have in the house. A little bit of grated onion, grate it right over the bowl because that onion juice helps to flavor the dressing. Sour cream. So I'm going to stir that together to get an even consistency. We're gonna add 2 tablespoons of distilled vinegar, white vinegar, or cider vinegar, just a mild vinegar flavor. 1, 2. And we're gonna add the juice of a lemon. Brighten this up a little bit. It's all about balance in cooking. So we're going to add a good 1/4 cup of the pourable superfine sugar. 1, 2, 3, 4, about 4 tablespoons of superfine sugar. Then we're gonna add 2 tablespoons, which we know is a palmful, of poppy seed. A tablespoon of celery salt. A tablespoon of kosher salt, over the shoulder for luck. A little black pepper. And then what marriage do you see in every ranch dressing? We have parsley, dill, and chive. All that goes in. I know. So I love a soft potato roll. I like some bread and butter pickles on these. Then I'm gonna get spicy with our homemade pulled barbecue chicken with our secret ingredient, the smoked soy sauce that makes it taste nice and smoky. See, I'm trying to get it all extra saucy in there. Oh, oh, so much chicken it won't even fit on the bun. And then we're gonna top it with our nice crunchy poppy seed coleslaw. Hello. There you go.